The role of the Philippine National Police in the administration of the Philippine justice system. Introduction. The Philippine National Police plays a critical role in maintaining public order, enforcing laws, and ensuring justice within the country. This report examines various aspects of the PNP duties, from its powers and function to its involvement in crime, detention, investigation, and prevention. In addition, it reviews important legal procedures such as arrest and search warrants, discusses the operational significance of patrols, and explores issues related to police image and discretion in the administration of the criminal justice system. PNP. This section introduces the Philippine National Police as the primary law enforcement agency in the Philippines. Established to replace earlier policing structures, the PNP is tasked with ensuring peace and order, protecting human rights, and enforcing the law. Over the years, the PNP has undergone reforms to enhance its professionalism, transparency, and accountability. The agency is structured into national, regional, and local units that work together to respond to emergencies, conduct, conduct routine patrols, and implement community-based initiatives. Powers and function of the PNP. The PNP's powers and functions are derived from the Philippines Constitution, various republic acts, and administrative orders. Key functions include maintaining peace and order, preventing and suppressing criminal activities through visible policing and community engagement. Law enforcement, enforcing laws and regulation by conducting investigations, apprehending suspects, and collaborating with other agencies. Protection of life and property, responding to emergencies, disasters, and incidents that threaten public safety. Community policing, building trust within communities by engaging with citizens, resolving local issues, and encouraging cooperative efforts to maintain security. Support to the criminal justice system, providing evidence and testimony in court proceedings, ensuring that suspects' rights are protected, and working with prosecutors to build cases. The PNP is also empowered to use reasonable force when necessary and held accountable for the lawful exercise of its authority. Crime detention. Crime detention involves the temporary deprivation of a person's liberty while investigations are underway. The PNP must observe strict legal standards during detention. Legal basis and due process. Detainees are entitled to right under the Constitution and must be informed of the reason for their detention. Time limits. Law mandates that individuals cannot be held indefinitely without formal charge. There are prescribed periods within which detention must be reviewed. Treatment of detainees. The PNP is responsible for ensuring that detainees are treated humanely and that their legal rights, such as access to legal counsel, are respected. Role in the justice process. Proper detention procedures help secure evidence, prevent flight, and ensure that the suspect remains available for prosecution while balancing the rights of the accused. Arrest and search warrant. Arrest and search warrants are legal instruments that grant the PNP the authority to detain individuals and search premises. Arrest warrants issued by a judge or magistrate based on probable cause on arrest warrant authorize the detention of a suspect. However, in exigent circumstances, police may arrest without a warrant. Search warrants. These permits authorize law enforcement to search a specified location for evidence. The warrant must be based on probable cause and describe in detail the place to be searched and the items to be seized. Legal safeguards. Both types of warrants are subject to legal scrutiny to prevent abuse of powers. They are designed to balance the need for effective law enforcement with the protection of individual rights. Exceptions and limitations. In certain urgent situations, such as when evidence might be destroyed or suspect is in immediate danger, the PNP may conduct researches, arrests without a warrant, provided the later justify the action before the court. Patrol. Patrol is a foundational activity of the PNP involving officers regularly surveying neighborhoods and public areas. Visible presence. Regular patrols help deter criminal activity by maintaining a visible law enforcement presence in communities. Response capability. Patrol units are typically the first responders to incident, providing immediate assistance and establishing a secure environment until specialized units arrive. Community engagement. Through routine interaction, patrol officers build rapport with citizens, gather intelligence on potential threats, and foster a cooperative environment for crime prevention. Operational flexibility. Patrols can be adjusted based on time of day, crime trends, and special events, ensuring that resources are efficiently located to areas of greatest need. Crime investigation. Crime investigation is a systematic process aimed at uncovering the facts surrounding criminal incidents. Evidence collection. Investigators gather physical, forensic, and testimonial evidence to reconstruct the events of a crime. Interview and interrogation. Conducting interviews with witnesses and interrogating suspects are crucial steps in piecing together information. Collaboration. The PNP often works with forensic experts, specialized units such as cybercrime or anti-narcotics, and external agencies to enhance investigative capabilities. Legal standards. Investigation must adhere to legal protocols to ensure that the evidence collected is admissible in court and the rights of all parties are protected. Case building. The outcome of investigation plays a critical role in building strong cases for prosecution, thereby contributing to overall public confidence in the justice system. Crime prevention. Crime prevention focuses on proactive measures to reduce the incidence of criminal activities. Community programs. Initiatives such as neighborhood watch groups, public education campaigns, and youth outreach programs help address the root causes of crime. Environmental design. Modification to urban environments, better lighting, surveillance system, and secure public spaces can reduce opportunities for criminal behavior. Data-driven policing. Analyzing crime patterns and trends allows the PNP to allocate resources effectively and target high-risk areas. Police image in the administration of the criminal justice system. The public image of the police is vital for the legitimacy and effectiveness of the criminal justice system. Trust and legitimacy. A positive police image builds public trust, encouraging community cooperation and compliance with the law. Transparency and accountability. Practices such as body warrants, cameras, public reporting, and independent oversight help enhance the credibility of the PNP. Professionalism. Continuous training, ethical conduct, and adherence to human rights standards contribute to a positive perception. Media and communication. Effective communication strategies and engagement with the media are essential for countering negative stereotypes and reinforcing the role of the PNP as protectors of the community. Reforms in public relations. Ongoing reforms aimed at reducing corruption, abuse of power, and inefficiency helps improve the overall image of the police and, by extension, the criminal justice system. Police discretion in relation to the administration of the criminal justice system. Police discretion refers to the judgment that officers exercise in deciding how to enforce the law and handle situation. Flexibility in decision making. Discretion allows the officers to assess circumstances and determine the most appropriate course of action, which is essential in complex and dynamic environments. Balancing act. While discretion enables tailored responses, it must be exercised within the bounds of legal standards and departmental policies to prevent abuse. Impact on justice. The use of discretion can influence case outcomes, community relations, and perceptions of fairness in the justice system. When applied judiciously, it enhances justice by considering context. However, consistent use may lead to perception of bias or injustice. Training and guidelines. Providing officers with clear guidelines and continuous training helps ensure that discretion is used appropriately and uniformly. Oversight mechanism. Internal affairs and external review bodies monitor discretionary practices to safeguard against arbitrary or discriminatory behavior, thereby upholding the integrity of the criminal justice process. The Philippine National Police is an essential component of the criminal justice system with a wide range of responsibilities from routine patrol and crime prevention to complex investigation and legal procedures. By understanding the powers, function, and practices including crime detention, arrest and search warrant procedure, and the use of discretion, the public can better appreciate the challenges faced by law enforcement. A positive police image grounded in accountability, transparency, and professionalism further reinforces the public trust and cooperation with our in which are indispensable for a fair and effective criminal justice system. Thank you.